This video will show you how to use the Geoscience Australia data portal to view 2D map data showing elevation, surface geology and critical minerals. Once inside the GA portal website, go to the top right corner to change the persona to the Community and Education persona. Then go to the top left corner and click on the Layers tab and go down to the Map Layers section. Then click on the Elevation and Depth, and then the first option, Australia Land Surface Elevation Shuttle Radar Dataset. When you click on a dataset, more options will appear. The About tab provides information about the dataset. The Legends tab provides a key for all colours or symbols used by a dataset. For the elevation dataset, the legend shows that the white to red is the highest land and the green to blue indicates the low-lying areas. The Fit to Extent button will adjust the map view to show the region the dataset covers, and the Add to Map button will add the dataset directly to the map view. You can also adjust the opacity of a data layer by moving the slider left or right. For this example, all datasets will be at 100% opacity. To add a second data layer, go back to the Map Layers section and go down to the Geology tab. Then select the second option on the list, Geology of the Surface of Australia, and Add to Map. When you click on the Legends tab, this dataset uses both codes and colours to represent different ages and types of rocks. If you right-click on the image for the legend and select the Open Image in New tab, you'll be able to see a larger version of the legend for clearer reading. To see both datasets on the same map view at the same time, click on the Compare tool on the right-hand side. A splitter will appear in the middle of the map view. Go back to the Map Layers section and change the elevation dataset to be active left and the geology dataset to be active right. Now you can click and drag the slider across the map to make a comparison between both datasets. To add the final data layer, go to the search bar and the Maps Layer section and type critical and hit enter. Then click on the Australian Critical Minerals Operating Mines and Deposits dataset and click Add to Map. When this loads up, leave it as active both so that it is able to be viewed on both sides of the Compare tool. To interpret the datasets further, you can go to the Tools tab in the top right corner and select the Elevation Profiles tool. Then click on the Draw Path button and click somewhere on the map to begin to draw your line. Once you want to complete your line, double-click the mouse button to create your elevation profile. This will create a cross-section view that will show the topography along the line of the map that you have drawn. You can also download this cross-section view by clicking on the Download button in the top right corner of the elevation profile. This tool can be used at small or large-scale versions of these datasets. For more information about navigating the portal, you can access the Help button in the top right corner.